Hey guys, today I'll be teaching how to make a paper airplane that flies really good, okay? Oh, and you may have noticed that I got a haircut. Yesterday I got a haircut. So let's get started on this stuff. So first you'll need a sheet of paper. Any type of sheet of paper is okay. Sorry, my phone. Any type of sheet of paper is okay. First, you fold these like that. Open that. And fold this flap right here to the crease that you just made. Do the same thing on the other side. So then your paper should look like that. Next, after you're done folding it like that, your paper will look like this, okay? So then you'll have to fold it more so that it will look like this. Next, fold your paper in half. Now this should look like the very easy basic paper airplane procedure. Next, after you do that, this will be hard to video like that, so I'll have to do this. I'll have to do this, and then finally do that. Quickly. Sorry, my phone. Anyway, fold it like that. Remember, symmetry is very important. Oh, and I almost forgot. If you guys are new to this channel, please like this video and subscribe. All right, now that you have that done, turn it around like that. And then do the same thing on this side. Now, you have this. Now unfold your wings, and you're done. Let's try it out in my living room. Okay, guys? So, we actually went to IKEA yesterday, so there's lots and lots of bags. Anyway, let's do this. Oh, God. All right, see this? All right, that got stuck in the tree. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Bye!